Like when I was solving previous year papers, at least physics felt like a piece of cake.
You have got amazing results. So how did you do the backlogs? Like how were you able to clear the backlog?
So actually, it did take a bit of time to cover up on everything. I remember particularly in physics, there was this one topic I didn't understand for the longest time, surface tension.
Oh,
So like, when it was first taught, I sort of understood it. Then after 3 months, I came back to revise it, and I had forgotten it completely.
Completely gone.
So then I had to review it again. Then also I partially understood it. Then a third time, I tried to revise it again. I sat down with this book and solved all the problems in the book.
surface tension is that kind of chapter. If you don't understand it, you can score
Yeah.
marks. But the moment you try to go deeper, that's when it gets even more messy. And there's a lot of concepts in it,
Yeah, and
especially that
if you-
number 2.
If you try to solve JEE type questions,
Yeah.
you need to understand it.
Yeah.
So then I sat down, watched all the replays of our classes, and then I finally understood it. So after that, I did not need to revise it again.
So once you prepare for JEE, right, how easy it is to score in NEET physics?
I would say preparing for JEE definitely helped me in NEET physics because, like, when I was solving previous year papers, at least physics felt like a piece of cake. But
This year it
Yeah.
this year
This
it was
year-
there
But
were
in spite of that, he got 99.99 percentile in physics.
yeah, I got 165.
165. Yeah.
Physics. Like, I think when I saw this year's physics paper, but I had not solved that many previous NEET PYQs to be expecting just easy formula questions. I was just like, okay, there's this question, I have to solve it. The most of the part,
It's like ignorance is bliss at this point.
yeah,
Right?
I was not specifically prepared
For
for
NEET.
NEET
Yeah.
physics,
Yeah.
so I was able to solve it. I was able to solve it overall. There were one or two questions which stumped me, and I was like, why are they asking this in NEET? I thought
Yeah.
NEET is easy.